Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. Today I'm a little bit under the weather. I might be coughing, might be sniffling. So I'm going to make this video quick. Oh man, perfect scam wick. Just like I said, right? Prices are going to come down and then pop back up. So don't jump into a short just so early. About a week ago, I've been telling you about this. And like, here it is, plays out exactly as predicted. So let's just jump into the charts. And before we jump into the charts, but make sure that you head over to bybit.davici15.com to sign in to Bybit and, find this place to buy and sell Bitcoin and also trade it as well. All right, let's jump into the charts and see what we can see. Listen, guys, this is not, if you think this dump is, oh yeah, let's buy the dump and let's go higher, we're going all the way to the moon, you're going to be sadly mistaken. Bitcoin does not do V-bottoms very well. It's not impossible for it to have a V-bottom. We've seen V-bottoms in 2020 where it just dumped on the pandemic dump and then V-bottomed out, and so it's not impossible. It's just unlikely. Okay, so do not assume that this trade, if you're going to take this this short trade, it's absolutely guaranteed. For sure, you're going to win. That's how you get wrecked. Okay, with that said, right, where is the shorts? Well, we can start shorting as early as here, but I'm a little concerned. Right, we can see if we do a Fibonacci trade retracement, you see we came up to we bounced off the resistance, right? For support, actually support. We held this resistance for a little while, broke through it. Now, you can see that we were just above the 200-day moving average, and we passed the 61.8, and we're at the 78.6. That's where we touched it, reversed back off of 78.6. That's, if you've been watching the show a long enough time, you know that's my Hail Mary trade right there. Now, I don't like it when markets come up here and then come break down and then come back to it. So what you could do is start shorting here, and then if it breaks above this previous high, then you walk away and see if you can reset the trade higher, the short trade higher. So that's one way to skin this cat. That just, you just gotta accept the losses, right? Because there is a big trade here. You just have to keep nibbling at it as it goes higher. Now, what we could have happen, which is, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin does this, is that it comes all the way up to the top here of the 20,000 for $500 level, and then wipes out all the short stop losses, and then comes back down. That is the most likely scenario. It doesn't guarantee that it will happen. Remember that? Doesn't mean it will happen. It's just, I feel it's the most likely scenario, but there's no guarantees with management. It's already done this once already. It's wiped out these guys here at the top here. These guys over here that were having shorts, and they were putting a stop loss up there. Seemed good until it actually broke up here. So this will probably be the last hurrah, right, for Bitcoin, and then it's probably going to break down and head to the 12,500 mark. First stop target, of course, is 16,000-ish marks. You might want to consider taking some profits off the table around there, and that is where you would trade this. I would continue looking. If you want to get the best location, you would have to go down to the lower time frames and keep hunting like all day long today, and just keep hunting and making sure that if this thing rolls over, if there's some sort of candlesticks, you take that trade to roll over and short it. That would be the best way to actually get into the best possible position. If you want to take some risk, right, you could always just go a little bit higher, like around the $20,100 mark, and just go, okay, you know what, I'm going to wait for liquidation on the 5x or something like that. Unlikely that you'll have that because you could probably take losses at stop losses. No, you probably have to wait for liquidation on that. So you could go 5%, 20,100, and wait for liquidation. That's that's always an option as well. Okay, with that said, I'm a partner with NFT Shills. We're 50 split owners of NFT Shills. We also do videos every week, right? So head over to NFT Shill. Links in the description below on how to get to this channel. Be a part of NFT Shills. I do videos once a week with Mauricio, and we also do interviews for any project out there that wants to do an interview with me. I will be a part of that interview as well. So make sure you be a part of it. Davitars, very soon you'll be able to cash in on some of your Davitars. On October 15th, your reward for the access to Pandora's wallet group, you can do so by, on October 15th. That will be available to you. So then the next reward will be a 20-minute call, which will be available on October 20th. So make sure you be a part of that. If there's any issues, right, just if there's a delay, this will be updated. But I don't think there's going to be a delay on that. So make sure you head over to davitar.com/rewards, enter in your address to see what you got, right? So this NFT didn't get anything, but you could always, if you have a whole bunch of them, you can scroll through them and see what you got. And yeah, that's the rewards that are coming out for Davitars in the next little while, and look forward to doing more rewards in the future. Alrighty, folks. Well, I've got a busy schedule today. I'm here in Chile, right? I have to do a lot of work. I have to go to banks, and that's the worst thing, right? The bank lineups are huge here. It's brutal, and I don't look forward to it, dealing with the banks, but it is what it is. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for being here. Make sure that you own some Bitcoin for the long run. Because remember, I know this is so hard to believe, but Bitcoin will be the money. And if you have more than 0.28 worth of Bitcoin, you will be super well. You'll be in the top 1%. Well, why not go for that top 1%? Go for it. Cheers.